So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how to add a welcome bot on your Discord server. So basically, first you just have to access your Discord via web app or just simply your application on your desktop. So in this case, I am using web. So after that, you just have to access your account. As you can see right there, I have on my server. So as you can see, I have a welcome bot right here, which is when someone joins, it will actually generate this one, which is I specifically made this one on a specific landing page, just like in this channel. So all you have to do is search for these bots. So either the free you could do or add it on your server to make it as a welcome bot. So basically, Carl bot can do the thing just like this, which is this is a welcome page. And also the me 6 can also do this thing as well as the Dinobot. So you just have to search for this three and pick which suits you the best. And after that, you just have to click on invite or add to a Discord server. After that, you will redirect to this page and make sure to select your server that you wanted to add this type of bot. After that, just click or hit the continue button and it will automatically added to your server. As you can see right here on the airport channel, text channel, you can see that I have added this bot and you just have to do a slash and you will see the bots command, which is like this. You could actually modify this for you to able to create some welcome page or welcoming some people that will join on your server. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.